Should we consider plural and singular keywords separately while researching keywords, or should we consider both as one keyword? Suppose I am doing SEO for a school website. Should I consider both school and schools the same or separately? I am going to solve this confusion in today's video. So watch this video till the end because I am going to tell you a very important thing. Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, as I said, we are going to talk about plural and singular keywords. Those who do not have a little knowledge of English grammar, I will tell them that singular means a word, just a word, something that is like school, course, question. And like schools, courses, questions, these will be our plural keywords, right? Now, during keyword research, should we consider plural or singular keywords the same, or should we research both separately? As an answer, I will show you some practical examples, then you take your decision accordingly. So let's go to the Google first. I go to Google. I typed school in Lahore. Here the results are. First of all, these are the examples of local SEO, nearest schools in my area. This will be shown to you also. And then the first website which Google is showing is Lahore American School. Next is Lahore Grammar School. And the third one is HSN School and College. Now I typed schools in Lahore. I added S in this keyword. First results are local SEOs. Then now the first website is Urdu Point. Second is Lahore Grammar School. And the third website is American School, which was on first in our first result without S. Now with the addition of just S, it is on number 3. So this is the proof I gave you. Let's take another example. I typed interview question. So see what I got. Indeed is the first website that I got. Then Harvard Business Review is the second website. And the third website is The Muse. Now I added S in this keyword, interview questions. Now the first website is The Muse, which was on number 3 in our previous search without S. Then Indeed, which was on number 1, now is at number 2. And the third one is Monster Jobs. And the Harvard Business Review, which was on second number in our previous search, now is at number 6 in this search, while we add S in this keyword, right? So viewers, these are the examples, and see, just by putting S and without S, how much difference did we get in our ranking. When Google is considering S and non-S keywords, means singular and plural keywords separately, and according to that the ranking is changing also. So as an SEO expert, just think logically. I am not answering you, you think logically. Should singular and plural keywords be considered separately or not? I hope you got the answer, that the ranking of both singular and plural keywords is different. There is a difference in the volume of both keywords too. That's why we will also research both kinds of keywords separately as an SEO expert. Now here is a little task for you guys. Just research digital marketing firm and digital marketing firms and tell me the difference between both of their search volume in the comment section below. Definitely there will be a difference in the volume of both. It could be 10 to 20% maybe. And like if I am getting a monthly search of 2400 on a digital marketing firm, and I am getting a search of 2200 on a digital marketing firms, so which one will I choose? Obviously I choose digital marketing firms. Digital. So you have to use this logic to research your keyword. I hope you got some idea from the exercise I gave you. That today's the question of this video was whether singular and plural keywords are different or the same. The answer is they are different. So I hope you got the answer, and here you saw how Google also considers the words with S and non-S separately. According to that, our ranking changes too. That's why whenever you research keywords, consider singular and plural keywords separately. If you have learned something from this video, then don't forget to like, and also if you have any doubt, question or query, you can tell me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, viewers. We will meet in our next video.